Hello friends, welcome to C# Intermediate to Advanced tutorial. Now you are watching subseries 7, and in this subseries we are talking about C# threading synchronization using interlocked class. So in the last video we talked about what is atomic operation and how interlocked class will execute the instruction as a single atomic operation. We saw what is the need for thread synchronization using this generate button click. Then we introduced a critical section using monitor enter and exit. By exploring the click event of this, you can see that now we will concentrate on how to use atomic operation to achieve the same result of what this critical session did. So this time here we will do the generate sequence with atomic operation. That means by using the interlocked class. So you may be familiar of what this example will do. You can give a number, say for example 10. This will be multiplied by 4, and the goal will be to see a result of 40 by means of 4 threads. So all thread will do the increment and they share the same variable and they will perform the increment. And if we see the end result as 40, then there will not be any sharing violation, or whatever we are sharing between the thread, that is a thread safe. Alright, so there is nothing much to talk about the example here. You can download the previously achieved code from the video description. Thank you for watching. Bye.